Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how you can get automated data exports from HubSpot into Google Sheets. Let's get started. As a step one, you need to create an account with Windsor.ai. In case you don't have one, you can find the link below. Once you have an account, you simply go to the HubSpot section in Windsor Onboard, click grant access to your account. Once this is done, the account will be available here. I'm selecting it. Then I go to preview and destination. And now it's good to quickly check if the data is coming through. You can simply select here in the data source selector, HubSpot. And then HubSpot data should appear. See here, there's some sample data I've created for this demo. You should be able to see your data here now. As a next step, we then need to click on Google Sheets here. And there is a link for us to install the Google Sheets add-on. I've already installed it here. It will take you 2 or 3 clicks to do. And once you're done with that, you then create the new sheet in Google Sheets. And then you will find the Windsor.ai plugin over here. You have to log in. And then you're being asked for your API key. Your API key can then be found down here in this section in Windsor. Once you're logged in with this username, that's mine, you will have your username here. Then here, as a next step, you're going to get data into a sheet. And now it's time to get the data from HubSpot into Google Sheets. Loading the sidebar here now. We add a new query and call it contacts export HubSpot. That goes into sheet 1, which is the name of the sheet. And then here I can select the data source, which in my case is HubSpot. Then I select the account I would like to pull data for, select the date range, and then I can select fields here. So now I'm going to reset, and then I'm just going to add a couple of contact fields. I'm interested for this purpose of this demo to get fields in from the contacts object, which I can find here. So let's say I want to have the contact email. I want to have the first name and the last name. And now I'm clicking load, and then the data appears here in Google Sheets. Yeah, now you can see here, the data is loaded. Now, if I want to have the data pipelines automated, I need to schedule the run here. I'm doing that hourly. If I select hourly here or 1 hour here, I get the data fetched every hour. So click save. And now my HubSpot data will be refreshed every day. Additional information here is we support all possible endpoints in HubSpot. And then we also support custom objects. Thanks very much for watching. Enjoy working with our connector. Thanks.